Welcome back. I went to the garden center recently and I got some enormous edging plants, a variety of them that you have in trays like this. And I thought I may need to use some of these for my border, or I'm trying to do something where I have some shrubs in pots. So they've been around for some time and I'm just thinking that I like to put them in bigger pots, and so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So in this bag I have made a mixture of some compost and some other soil that I'm recycling from areas in my garden. I've mixed the soil with compost and also put in some of this so that I will give the plant some good start or continuation, because I just removed them from the pots that they came in from the garden center, and the gloves are quite muddy because I've been doing the mixing before now in this bag. And these are the plants. So this is a piece of compost, and I've watched somewhere, there's a garden show that I like to watch, which is by, I think I will link that in the description. It's by Alexander, the middle-sized garden and blog. So on one of her shows, when she interviewed some of the garden experts, they said when repotting, it's nice to almost give the plant a fresh start, otherwise, so that you have almost like bare roots, because this will prevent the plant having the root circling round. So I have loosened, taken them all out of the pot and have loosened the soil. I'll put a bit of the soil mixture into the plant, into the new pot that I'm going to use. So these are my plants that I'm repotting and that I'll be showing you. I've already done some before now, so they all came in this size pot, and it is recommended to use the next size pot. I want to repot them because I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to use them yet, but I know that I'm going to use them soon, so I'm putting them in the next size pot. So this is what they came, that kind of size, that's what they came in from the garden center. So I've got a few that I've already done. If you're a gardener, you have a lot of these things lying around. So far I've done how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the park. We have peas as well, because it was a pack of 6, which are all plants that can be used for edge. So peas was one, and I've got one variety of the enormous. I've got this one as well, and also these ones that I'm yet to put in a pot, and the physical compost. So that's what I'm going to be doing. The other thing I try to do is that, for instance, all of these came in a single pot, and I have separated them because I know the way they grow. Actually, this is one of the ones that came with it. They will start shooting out stems by the side, so I thought I can get myself more plants by just separating them. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So using the next size pot up, and I'm going to fill it with my mixture that I already have here. So about the middle size, that's what I like to do. And then I'll put the plant in. So let me just turn the camera so you can see it better. So I like to put the plant in about the middle. That's what we've got. And I just top it up with the compost and soil mixture with some of the fertilizers that I've already got mixed ready. So that's the ready mixture that I have. So that's another pot done, and the next one coming up. Some of the mixture in there, and if you look closely, you may be able to see some of the fertilizers that I put in there. And this one just goes and just pop it in there. I'm always amazed at how strong or how resilient plants are, because when we're repotting, it looks to me as if I'm really mishandling them sometimes, but they just bounce back. So don't be too concerned, don't be too worried that, oh, they're fragile, and let that stop you from handling the plant. As long as they've got moist and they've got good soil, they will regrow or revamp, and you'll enjoy your plants. Got 3 more to do, and that's what's going in there. I like this anonymous. It's not as common as the one with the golden, so I'm really looking forward to having quite a lot of this one in my garden. Okay. And it's really as simple as that. Repotting. Last one. Meaning seedling. Every few 9 months that this variety of plant that I have in my garden, and I do have quite a lot of them, I bought them all from seedling. They cost about relatively $1.99 each, and they've grown. I've been gardening for about close to 4 years now. The first ones I bought, they've grown to be about 1.25 meters from this size. So be encouraged or be brave if you're going to be a gardener. And also from that single tray that usually has 6 seedlings, I've got 13 plants from it, and I'm just going to see how they go and then decide what I really want to use them for. But I do know that I want them to get bigger, possibly to be in individual pots. So my job for today is done, which was to repot all those seedlings that I got from the garden center some time ago, and I'll show you in a minute the plant that I actually started the garden with. So these are them, and look at how tall they are now. I all got them from seedlings, and this is what has encouraged me to know that yes, certainly I can be a gardener. So I hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I say goodbye.